Scottish Drift Championship round 2 practice went really well. I'm here for the competition day today. I forgot to do an outro, so there's your outro. Enjoy the next video.
Damage than just a wheel and a tyre wrapped up in a brake flexi.
Yeah, just hoping anyway.
It happens easier than you think, obviously. With delamination as well, you get an awful lot. Apart from the fact he's taking over.
Exactly.
We have Ollie.
Ollie Hoods. I think he's my driver of the day. It was Ross Ogilvie. Until he spun.
Is that a bit of commentary favouritism here?
Yes. But,
this is an excellent run.
Could you imagine this guy in an actual decent non-doctor's car?
I know. I mean, that car wouldn't look out of place parked up outside the surgery, but the way that he controls it is just...
Parked up beside my nan's house.
Yeah, chrome trim and all.
Ended up with an 84, number 1 qualifier for now, but obviously was fairly early out. Yeah, I'm sure somebody will beat that, but that's good. I'll definitely, well, should be in with that, I would think. So I just go more mental in the second one. Let's do it. Disaster strikes after qualifying. My alternator's decided it doesn't want to be an alternator anymore. So I've got the boys.
Right, Sam.
The boys.
Yeah.
Working on the car, so hopefully it gets done sharpish. Just here eating cold chips. Boys are knocking it out. That's it going back in. Top team, like, look at them. Masters in their class. Masters in their class. We've got Jesse in the boiler suit doing hee-haw, and James is standing holding a camera. I mean, we're all flat out and they're just taking their time. Should make it for battles. Let's get into it. Qualified 6th, which is pretty good. Means I should lead first. Well, I'm leading first in my first battle against Matty Wilshire. So should be good. He looks like a good driver, so chuck it in hard and see what happens, I guess. We'll go and try and get in his head now. Give him a wee bit of the chat.
Leads on anyway.
Yeah, we'll see. But Ollie, that's pretty much a 10-0 for Ollie now.
So we'll see what Ollie can pull
Ollie
at the back
just
of the
cut the grass on those pretty much there. Yes, mate!
Ollie's got subscriptions to fill out for his patients. He's holding no prisoners today. Very good chasing here. Not leaving.
Prescription for you, son.
13 milligrams of Revello.
let me take your temperature.
And here we go. What an excellent initiation in clip 1. All the way out to clip 2, knocking the cone flying straight against the imaginary wall in clip 3. Big gap being set up here. Sean Moog sacrificed a little bit of his liner try against him, comes into back on Ollie. Big dive here. That sounds a bit tired though.
Wee bit of contact there for my top 16 battle against Moog. So he's away to check his car, but mine looks alright. Yeah, flicked it too hard on clip 1 and I knew he was right up me, like I could see him in the chase lane. He was maybe a bit too quick, don't know, but we'll see him when he gets back out. No idea what happened there, like, no idea.
And here we go, Sean Moog to lead. Hopefully he's fixed whatever blows up with his car. It certainly sounds healthy.
Definitely does, eh?
Ollie Hood sacrifice, taking a very weird line. He's pushing him round! Lining up at the drawing floor.
Hey man, I'm leaving my Starbucks rapid!
Oh! Near, is that an... Oh!
No, he technically never overtook, but
who shut down? Was there pushing off track? Did who shut down? I'm going to leave that one up to the judges and the for that one.
no.
They were just hard parking. That was a stance show. In here, obviously, you've got your views from over there. You see totally different parts of the track.
Absolutely, yeah. So that's Stu, a way to go get some advice from somebody who may have been in the know.
Someone who knows better than we do.
Yes. What, you hear it now? Hear it from here? Wow.
I've never seen anyone stop a vehicle in gear so aggressively. Ollie Hood's going through.
Goes through to the top.
I'm going to hand this over to Mark.
Okay, so Ollie and Sean, their first run, Ollie actually came away with about an 8-2 advantage for me, and Ollie Hood taking the win because what we could see, Sean appeared to have issues with either with his car. At clip 1 and clip 2, it appeared he shallowed up and sort of almost came off power, and then again between 4 and 5, from what we could see, it was lead car shutting down with chase car nowhere to go, so therefore 10-0 for Ollie going through with a strong advantage.
There you have it, folks.
Bit of an iffy decider that, but I won it. I'm now against Mark Illand. Good pal of mine. Yeah, I guess we'll just go ham and hopefully win this one as well. At least I can be confident behind him. See how we get on. Right, don't be a dick. Let's fucking do them. Ah! Let's do them! Concentration. Don't know if we'll win that one. Class. That was good fun anyway.
He's not going to hold anything back. He's going to be like,
He's going home with E36 panels on his E46. Oh, told you! Taking the bumper off the back of Mark Allen's car, making the proximity back up. Not really sacrificing much line as he dives back towards Allen's E36.
stitch this one, though.
Oh, and again! The front one is off! Ollie taking no prisoners! A man who just needed to do a nice safe chase run.
Mate, we touched it, but we never actually.
I didn't quite reach the stars. Although it doesn't look like Billy Money's having that much of a problem keeping up with Ollie Hood here. Sacrificing a bit of the line there just to get the proximity. That's the Billy Money that we know.
Ollie, you're in trouble.
You better call yourself a doctor. An excellent run from Ollie there again for the lead. Wow.
Put myself out, man. Raging.
And here we go.
And we're off.
Right. Billy leading, see if
Ollie
does
right
see
up
a
to
right go to company again from Ollie. Billy flying that. Little Ben coming towards Clinton, but Ollie giving him no excuse for anything. Ollie pushing that little blue comrade, the Billy Money through clip 3 and 4.
Damn, boy, he's thick. That's a
DJ Lethal style right through the Matthews Bridge, all the way through the That's unbelievable from the consistent drive we've seen from Ollie. I'll be honest, for me it looked almost like it was pretty cut and dry for Ollie up until the point at clip 6 and 7.
Yep, it's what we like to call a teeth tray, you know. Pretty much. It was looking so good. He will be gutted, but the thing is though, he'll post it all online on his YouTube video so you'll see him punching the steering wheel and everything, like
Punching the windows out and
punching
taking
the
out the
wood.
oval.
Aye. Punching the wood interior like that.
Confirmed, Billy Murray takes the win.
Goes to the final. So,
I think we all know what happened there.
yes.
Top 3 battle, let's go. Steering's very broken now.
It's amazing. And here we go for
Kawasaki to lead.
fourth.
Another excellent initiation from Kawasaki. Ollie was all over him as they come up towards clip 2 though, into clip 3 as wide as you like. Excellent transition, both drivers up towards the Matthews Bridge.
Wow, wow, go on, get on this course, son, go on.
That ain't smoke, that's steam.
I think you're right, boy.
From the steamed clams one, I think.
Oh man! Oh, might need to call a 5-minute rule for Ollie. That's more. That wasn't tyre smoke.
That was steam.
My viscous fan's destroyed itself. She done. Oh well, that is today done. I'm currently walking back down to get my car, but I thought on the way I'll just look for some bits of fan, because there's definitely going to be bits of fan lying about the place. There's bits of plastic lying everywhere on this track. That 4th place, I had fun. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the footage, and I will see you on the next one.